Hey guys, I am going to pick another choice off of my e-learning menu for ELA because I'm going to do 2 a day. So I think I'll start over here and I'll read these snap words. So we're going to do up, fun, get, day, 4. It says write a sentence using each snap word for a total of 5 sentences. So let's go over here and look at our snap words. All right, we know that this snap word is the word up. It is the word up. And let's take a peek at it. Let's look at the letters in up. We have a U and a P. What do we know about that U? Is that a tall letter, a small letter, or a down low letter? Yeah, it's a small letter. And then we're going to look at P, and we see that P is a down low dirt digger. And let's think, what is the vowel in the word up? Yeah, U is the vowel in the word up. And what is the consonant? Yep, the consonant's P. Awesome. Let's watch a quick video on the snap word up.
Hi, I'm Jan Richardson.
And I'm Jack Hartman.
Let's work together and learn our sight words even better.
We know this song. Let me hear you sing it.
I love learning my sight words. I have fun with sight words. I know lots of sight words. They help me read and write. Let's learn the sight word up. Here we go. Read it out loud. Up. Read it quietly. Up. Read it in your head. Now look carefully and tell me, what's the missing letter? Say it before I do. U. P. Now look carefully and tell me the 2 missing letters.
U, P.
U, P. I love learning my sight words. I have fun with sight words. I know lots of sight words. They help me read and write. Now mix and fix the sight word up. Put the letters in the right order. What letter comes first? U. What letter comes last? P. Up. I love learning my sight words. I have fun with sight words. I know lots of sight words. They help me read and write.
All right, hey guys, so I am going to pick right up and I'm going to show you what I've written. So for some of our snap words, I started with the snap word for, and I wrote, what do you want for your birthday? So let's think about what sentence we could write for the word day. The reason I didn't write it using my marker is because I'm at home and I don't have our nice marker, or our pen and marker that we have on our board, so it's a lot easier to type than write, or my handwriting would be so sloppy copy, and nobody wants to see sloppy jalopy copy, do you? So I thought typing would be a little bit easier. So let's think about a sentence for the word day. We could write, what have you done today? Or we could write, that's a question, or we could write a sentence. I'm going to write, I think I'm going to write, have a good day. So have, that is a snap word that a lot of us, well, it's not really a snap word, but it's a word that a lot of us have learned in reading group. So let's see if we can stretch it. Oh, I hear H. Let me fix this. Have, and I hear, oh, have, oh my goodness, silent E. Have a good good. We know the word good, G-O-O-D, and day. And I'm going to put a period. So look at my 2 sentences. I have a question and a sentence. I started my question and my sentence with a big, tall, capital letter, and I put punctuation marks. I put a question mark after my question, and I put a period after my sentence. I could have used an exclamation mark to show excitement, but today I just decided to use a period. So you have 3 more left to do. I'm going to let you do those on your own. I can't wait to see what sentences you write using your words. Oh my goodness, here's a fun idea. What if you tried to use more than one snap word in a sentence, and then you didn't have to write 5 sentences? You could try to combine some of your snap words into maybe one sentence. You could have 2 in a sentence, or 3 in a sentence, or how many ever you can fit in a sentence. That would be awesome sauce. I can't wait to see your work, and I will talk to you all later.